Hello everyone, and welcome back to Plant Matters. Now, here is where I tried to explain to you about this epic pumpkin patch I had prepared, but unfortunately the audio did not come through, so here I am, and enjoy the video. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. And hopefully all those seeds come up. That'd be great.
We need more sticks.
Oh, well, no. All right, spot's prepared. Got a bag of onions, so let's get them in there. Let's see what happens there.
A few more, I think.
Oh, some of those are bound to grow. Way back here, trying to find one. Got a mosquito on your hand.
Here, put some over there. You think they'll grow? Okay. Well, I only put about 50 of them. Good onion time.
Yeah. Tomatoes everywhere. That looks good, eh? I think we're gonna have some onions. Woo! Onions at the lake. The onion garden. Got her all closed off by the big pretty rock. In paradise. The pumpkin patch. Awesome. So until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, plants matter. Woohoo! The baby trees of Wizard Lake. So here's what's left of our baby pine tree we planted. I guess the deer like to eat them up, so that's no fun. This one looks a little healthier.